Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money internationally? Today, we're diving into how Worldremit simplifies sending money, making it secure and straightforward. First, head to the Worldremit website or download the app. Click on the Sign Up button. You will need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Then, accept the terms and conditions, and click Create Account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Click on the Send to section. This will open up options to choose the country where you're sending money. Select the destination country from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see various payout methods available in that country. Options may include bank transfer directly to the recipient's bank account, mobile money for sending to mobile wallets, or cash pickup at designated locations. Select the most convenient option for your recipient. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This might include their full name, address, bank name, account number, or mobile money details. Depending on the chosen payout method, double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will automatically show you the exchange rate and the fee for the transaction. You'll see exactly how much your recipient will receive in their local currency. Choose your payment method. Debit card, credit card, or bank transfer are the most common. Enter your payment details and billing address. Worldremit uses secure encryption to protect your financial information. Review all the details one last time. Make sure the recipient information, amount, payout method, and payment details are all correct. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm and Send. You'll receive a confirmation screen with a transaction reference number. Share this number with your recipients so they can track the transfer or, if applicable, use it for cash pickup. That's all there is to it. Sending money with Worldremit is that simple.